there is Chama cha Mashinani and there is his UDA. The normal thing, as it has been in Kenya, is that political parties that are in agreement, even in coalition arrangements, continue to contest the other seats in competition even amongst themselves. And you see, if you look at even the current bill, that is what the current bill kinds of acknowledges. Like remember last time, for example, as we were in NASA, then we were contesting against ODM, contesting against the Wiper, contesting against ANC. ANC was contesting against ODM, and Jubilee was contesting, Wiper was also contesting against the other parties. Everyone has a niche, but we would agree that at the top, we converge. As Chama cha Mashinani, we are converging at the top for William Ruto. That doesn't mean we are asking that the region be zoned. We don't want zoning. And I agree with William on that question. I also don't want zoning. I'm not going to tell him that Bomet is zoned as a CCM zone. Neither can he tell me Wasingishu or Nandi is a UDA zone. There is no such thing. If we want our country to move forward in democracy, we've got to move towards ideological positions for parties, but not tribal. It has not proven to be workable. And in fact, it would be retrogressive if we were to move in that direction, because we will be balkanizing the country. Then how do you identify which area is a zone of the other one? Is it the tribe? Then we are going backwards. We are dismembering the nation. When people discuss issues at the intellectual realm, the tribe does not come in. I may agree with you and disagree with Kimutai. Yeah. That has nothing to do with tribe. It's what is it? For example, Wanjiru Kihonyo. Is it Wanjiru? Yes. There's a lady Wanjiru. Why am I forgetting? Has been articulating issues on devolution, and we've become ideological soulmates. Kihoro, I think. And she has been very, very, very passionate on devolution issues.